Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You need the basics configured, so start by setting your working folder and confirming Stata version. Next, inspect the raw file quickly, CSV or Excel, and note delimiter and header rows. Now run CD to that folder, then import delimited or import Excel to bring data in. Once loaded, browse for obvious problems and use describe to check variable types. This gets you into the data immediately and prevents wasted time later when you begin coding variables. Once the data is in, create the variables you need. Use generate to make new numeric or string variables and replace to update values. When grouping, use recode for straightforward bins or edgen with cut, for quantiles and more control. For missing or conditional coding, combine if qualifiers and logical operators. Then label variable and label define so outputs are interpretable. Make sure to check with tabulate or summarize after each major change to confirm the logic worked as intended. To finish, run compress then save a cleaned DTA so your coded dataset is compact and reproducible. Put all commands into a do file with comments and run it from start to finish to ensure reproducibility. If outputs don't match expectations, step through with list or count to isolate problem rows, use assert to check assumptions, and inspect variable types. String versus numeric often causes mistakes. A quick troubleshooting tip: if recode behaves oddly, check for leading / trailing spaces and convert strings to numeric before recoding.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.